Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well and welcome to the new update on Cocos. The price line of Cocos is once again rejected by the resistance of this down channel. And in today's video, we will analyze are we going to break out this resistance of the down channel or we are going to test the support of this channel once again. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this weekly time frame chart. And here we have already seen that the price line of Cocos is moving inside a very big up channel, and we can see that this channel was started here on January 2021, and the price line has been testing the resistance of the channel so many times, and we have several touch points at the support as well. At the same time, as in my previous videos, I have been showing you that the price line broke out, first formed this ascending triangle, and this was the resistance of the triangle, and the same support of the channel is also the support of this triangle as well. And the price line broke out this triangle here with the powerful bullish divergence on 15th of November, and after being rejected by this resistance of the channel, you can see that we have 1, 2, 3 touch points here, and finally we rejected by this resistance and move down here. Right now we are being accumulated above this previous resistance of the triangle, and that is now working as a support. And we also have a very nice support of this up channel on this weekly time frame chart. Now if the price line starts the next move towards the upside, then it can make another attempt to break out this resistance of the channel once again, and this resistance will be approximately here at $6.50. Now if we take a look at the oscillators, then here we can see that the stochastic is completely oversold. It has entered the oversold zone, and previously when we touched the oversold zone here, when the price line touched the support and the stochastic was oversold, then we had a very short rally here. We rejected by the resistance of the triangle. Again we moved down here, the stochastic went very close to the oversold, and when the stochastic turned bullish, the price line followed the signal of stochastic and started a very big bullish divergence and broke out the resistance of this triangle. Right now again, we are not at the support of the channel, we are at the support of the previous resistance of the triangle that is now working as a support, and the stochastic has again entered the oversold zone. So there is a very high probability that if the stochastic turns bullish from here, then price line will again follow the signal of the stochastic and it will reach the resistance of this channel once again. Now on the daily time frame, we are once again rejected by the resistance of this down channel, and we are also having, if we watch this RSI oscillator, then we are having a hidden bearish divergence on the daily time frame, as the oscillator, the RSI, is forming higher than the previous high, where the price line is failed to do so, and it is forming lower high than previous high. Therefore, now there is a possibility that we will again test the support. Now for example, if we are going to test the support of the channel, that will be approximately at 83.5 cents, and if the price line moves down to 83.5 cents, then it can also hit a spike even beyond the support of this channel, and that will be really very difficult because before that we also have the support of this triangle, which was previously working as a resistance of the triangle, and that can again stop the price line to test even the support of this bigger channel as well. Now if I copy this trend line from here and paste it here, then we can expect a move here approximately after this rejection, approximately at $1.08 once again. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.